Relaxed smile pose next.
Capturing the lifelike essence.
Beauty and motion documented in stillness. Hip sway within human variance.
Ideal. Center of gravity stable.
10,000 cycles. No heat buildup. Skin remains soft and stable.
Rosy nude tone.
Yes, kissable and warm.
Final humanizing touches transform technology into companionship.
Hazel with depth flex for this one.
Yes, matches the personality profile.
Wing the liner slightly.
Perfect. Soft and feminine.
Forward direction for volume.
Yes, effortless waves. Long, wavy brunette for these.
Medium density, natural hairline.
Hair brings movement and personality.
Careful with that pallet. Those are the new shoulder joints. Yeah, line them up straight.
Torque rating matches spec. All 200 nanometer units. Seals perfect.
Slot C9 for these. Got it. Clear path.
Batch logged. Ready for assembly line pull.
These are the new lightweight alloys.
Yeah, 30% less weight, same strength.
Silicone to mixing room later.
After the electronics batch.
Hip ratio perfect for 5-foot model.
Spot on, balance specs met.
Battery cells at full charge state.
Yes, ready for integration.
All components accounted for today's run.
Yes, 25-foot units prepped. Shift starting, let's build some movement.
From raw components to animated form, production begins. Skeletons to assembly bay first.
Yeah, then actuators up to integration.
Precision components flow deeper into controlled environments. Double gloves for electronics handling.
No lint, keep it clean.
Cycle clear. Moving in.
These have the upgraded hip actuators.
Yes, full natural gait range. 20 shoulder sets for today's run.
Nicely done.
Elevators clear, send them up. Transcription. Silicone drums already staged?
Yes, ready for skin prep.
Mechanical hearts prepare for installation.
Warm skin tone batch today.
Yes, subtle variations for realism.
Everything in place for 20 units?
Yes, shift lead, green light.
Alignment complete, creation accelerates.
First skeletons powered, let's give them life. The fusion of mechanics and artistry begins.
In the heart of innovation, lifeless frames await the spark of motion.
Line 2 for the new gate models.
Yeah, start with spine alignment.
Center of gravity check.
Dead on, female proportion spec perfect. No over torque, keep it smooth. Good, spine flex is free.
Pan and tilt smooth. Butter, full expressive range.
10 units to arms next.
Legs batch after, keep the flow.
Every frame advances toward complete form.
Elbow actuator next.
Yes, full 160-degree bend.
No jitter, calibration clean.
Move like. These move like real.
Hip yaw upgraded.
Yes, natural walking stride ready.
We're ahead. 15 skeletons framed today.
Quality holding strong.
A fleet of forms nears the breath of intelligence.
Mechanics complete. Now for circuitry and skin.
Batch of 20 skeletons ready. Start with central processing harness.
Yeah, route the main power first.
Mechanical frames now receive the nervous system of intelligence.
Joints completely clean?
Spotless, ready for wiring. All harnesses passing?
100%, no opens. Keep bend radius gentle.
Perfect, no pinch points.
Bus alive. No errors. All nodes responding.
First heartbeat of electricity flows flawlessly.
High density hand sensors here.
Yes, full finger coverage for delicate touch.
Sensitivity set to human-like.
Perfect, detects light touch.
Interpupillary distance exact.
Calibrated. Natural depth perception.
Everything seated and clean? Flawless, ready for core processing. Electronics prepared, awaiting intelligence and exterior.
Wired units cleared. Core install and skin next.
Premium cores for this batch. Start with thermal paste application.
Yes, load the latest firmware first.
Even spread, no air bubbles.
Perfect coverage, ready for mount. The brain of lifelike interaction is seated.
All ribbons seated flat.
Locked, coolant loop sealed.
Cells balanced at 4.2 V.
All even, capacity full.
Boot sequence clean.
No faults. OS loading 40%.
First digital breath. Systems awaken flawlessly.
Shoulder calibration complete.
All joints within 0.1 degree.
Depth map sharp.
Human hand tracking locked, perfect.
Perception achieves human-like clarity.
All systems nominal.
Ready for skin molding, no issues.
20 units cored and booted today.
Best batch stability yet.
Intelligence secured. Now for lifelike exterior.
Cord units cleared. Skin application next.
Premium skin batch mixed. Start with torso molds.
Yeah, clamp the first skeletons in.
With intelligence installed, the exterior of lifelike humanity begins.
Spine centered, no wire pinch.
Clear, sensors aligned to ports.
Seal at 98%.
Full vacuum ready, pour when heated.
The frame disappears within its future skin.
Degassed, clean. Crystal, no voids left.
Slow fill, watch the limbs.
Even coat building.
Liquid skin envelops technology in seamless realism.
8-hour rotate.
Yes, MS-sube.
That's so they out. Yeah, fume.
Yes, then straight to cure oven.
Set to 80 Celsius ramp. Programmed. Uniform cure. Patience transforms liquid to lifelike flesh.
Halfway, no hot spots.
Skin setting perfectly. Skinned units ready. Detailing and features next.
Skin complete. Now for the face of emotion.
Premium batch to motion capture first.
Yes, load rig 1 with unit 17.
Hip sway within human variants.
Ideal. Center of gravity stable.
10,000 cycles. No heat buildup. Skin remains soft and stable.
Test phrase initiated. Intonation natural. Warm and expressive. Latency under 200 milliseconds. Test complete. Voice brings personality to presence.
All units cleared premium.
0 anomalies. Best run yet.
20 units fully validated today.
Performance exceeding specs across the board.
Technology confirms indistinguishable realism.
Validated units coming. Final humanizing details next.
Final humanizing touches transform technology into companionship.
Hazel with depth flex for this one?
Yes, matches the personality profile.
Wing the liner slightly?
Perfect. Soft and feminine.
Rosy nude tone.
Yes, kissable and warm. Long, wavy brunette for these.
Medium density, natural hairline.
Hair brings movement and personality.
Forward direction for volume.
Yes, effortless waves.
French tip or natural?
Soft pinky, elegant finish.
Relaxed smile pose next.
Capturing the lifelike essence.
Beauty and motion documented in stillness.
Finished units ready. Final human level QC next.